Hello guys, so I'm gonna give you a quick demo for the XD to prototype your long page and the pages. And the first one I'm gonna introduce is the long page. So pretty much when you finish up the long page layout, so you actually just finish the first long page layout. You actually need to do the separate page for the interactions. So that means that so for my interactions, I'm gonna actually click on these icons, and this one will pop up, will actually open up. And when I click on the little dots, so the images are gonna switch. So for the prototype, you actually need to list each pages. So list each animations for the XD. So you will be able to switch in the pages, go back and forth. So I already done with this 4 page. So as a sample, so you will actually find out your own interactions for the pages. And let me open up the XD. So assuming that you are using the latest version, if you are if you already install your Adobe Cloud on your laptop, you will actually get this latest version of XD. You can actually open up your AI files directly from the XD. So otherwise, you need to actually copy and paste each pages on the artboard of the XD. So that's kind of complicated when you are using the old version. So keep using the latest version, using the newest version. So find out my page, and this one should be my page. Let me open this up. So I believe this will take a little while, since I'm using the high resolution background image. It will actually take a while for the XD to load all the pages, all the artboards to your XD. And this is still taking. So here you go. All the pages open up. So make sure, first of all, make sure that all the stuff have been loading correctly, all the elements you created. So let's do the prototype. So first of all, I need to save this. So this one is the long page. Save to a desktop. So my idea is that when you click on this, let me group this. So when I click on this icon, we'll go to this page. When you click on the arrows, you will see a transition. So I'm gonna keep dissolve. And for this page, I also wanna do animation that when I click on this little icon, it will just close up. Which means go back to this page. And also keep the animation with dissolve. So when I preview, as you can see that this one is actually open up and close. So there is a problem. When you preview the whole page. So I'm actually just do a scrolling for your page. So let me just go back to the design. When I click on this file, so click on this artboard, you actually see that the height is 3000. So based on your size, you may have bigger than that or smaller than that. So when you are doing the scrolling, you want to change this height back to the 768. That's the first step, 768. And you can see that this artboard is just keep 1024 and 768. So you want to change the scrolling to vertical. So when you just increase the size a little bit, you can see there is a blue dash line. So it means that starting from this line, your page will be scrolling. So I'm gonna change this height back to the the long page, which is around 3000 for my page. So when you preview this page, you can actually scroll this page. You will no longer to view the the whole long page. So let's do the same thing for the rest of 3 page. First of all, change the height value to scrolling to a vertical. So every time make sure, just drag a little bit, make sure that you got this kind of blue dash line. Back to the heights. Same thing for this one, 768 vertical scrolling. And make sure the dash line. Same thing for that one. Vertical. Yes. That's it. That's it for each page. So let me just preview. So when I preview, I can scroll in this page. So I can open up and close. Yes. And also the second one I want to do is to switch the images. So I got the 3 images, so switch between the the pages. So my idea is that click on this little icon. Let me go back to the prototype. Every time you do the prototype, need to go to the prototype page. Click this dots. You'll switch to this image. So this time I thinking still keep the dissolve. And this is the one. So when I click on that dot, that will actually go to the last page. And do the same thing. So click on. So when I click on this one, I'm gonna go to the first page. And click on this dot, go to this page. So do the same thing for the other one. So click on these dots. I should go to this page. Second dot, go to the second page. So I've already linked all these pages together. Let's preview. So actually I can open this up. On this page I can actually, so the tricky thing is that it will actually just go back to the top page. That's the problem that XD needs to fix. So no worry about that. Just link all the pages together. So click on that. It will change back to the, and click on the third dots. It will actually give you a new image for third. So make sure all the pages are linked together. There is no dead end. So this is my, my ideas for the, for the long page, applying this kind of interactions. So you can actually figure out your own interactions, animations. You can actually, mine is just clicking on this kind of dots. You can actually, you can actually do click on the whole page, the whole image, and the image will actually open up in a full screen size. Or for the S3, for the design skills, you can actually click on that and view the details of the, the, the percentage icons and open up image. So figure out some kind of interesting stuff for you to, applying more interactions for the long page. If you are choosing the long page, it's because that for the long page we don't actually do too much about the the interactions, due to we are actually dealing with this kind of long page, but you need to actually figure out some kind of interesting stuff, make some fun with that. So I believe this is that's all for the long page. Thank you for watching.